use a fucking hey, it works.
Yeah, that's it, man. They don't go through. I got something for this bitch.
Alright, so we're about to go to the boat. We're about to see if we can throw it in the water. You know, like, we're on our way right now.
You gotta see it. You see it, they told you it's better.
We're about to stop at the bakery, you know. So me.
Check this shit out today.
47, all the time they got meat control.
Daddy, chill.
Even people that got a dive to.
A eso se ve que se le fue el avión.
Avión.
Se metió dos o algo.
Están viendo el bote por ahí para abajo, loco. No lo viste, you know something, nigga, I do prescribe, my nigga. But in this world, that's what you chose.
Yeah, you made that choice. You
Yeah,
made that
even if you try to help them and lead them,
It's
their life is
it's
better.
up to them.
Yeah,
to
their
make-
life is better for them.
It's up to them to make their life better. You know? You can only advise people and guide them. But
Boy. What are you watching?
Your mother.
Las personas que están, you can't say to her,
yeah, the aliens and spaceships and living in Mars. ¿Dónde salió todo eso?
They're talking about shit.
Don't talk about it.
Go bring the truck. Go bring the truck.
Go get the truck, Jason.
What's up, bud? Yeah. I talked to Kelly. She said tomorrow we're going to throw the boat in the water. Did she let you know?
That was good, man.
Why am I sitting over and over there? 'Cause I like this one. Watch out.
Yeah, we got to take all this shit up.
Right next to your boat.
La fucking mesa esa.
Eso que pasa.
Estos cabrones que están trabajando en su bote, they got all that shit here.
I tell you, leave that in the car. Let me see.
Yeah, I want to take these old stickers out.
What'd you say?
I want to take these out.
Whose man's is this, bro? Look at the motor, you feel me?
Jacob, every time we use it, before we leave, we wipe it down. Yeah, I want to get all the blue tapes off the floor.
Putting the boat in the water tomorrow.
Poppy Joe.
Shut up.
No.
Feel me? They got the big truck over there. Got the big truck to put it in the water. Where's the other thing at? And then they got that. Feel me? It's gonna go in the water like at 3. It's gonna be mad hot tomorrow, you feel me?
Oh, it's not.
Yes, it is,
It's gonna be
stupid.
cold.
Yeah, it's getting lit. But yeah, this is the boat, man. So hopefully, like by tomorrow, the boat should be in the water. And then soon we'll get the registration for the jet ski. Then, yeah, my hair. Shit crazy. Alright, so like right now we're here with the jet ski, you feel me? You about to turn it on, you feel me? See what it's rocking with.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Que lo que, que lo que. So once we put the boat in the water, we decided to paint a couple of things to make the boat look even more cleaner. And we put the boat in the water and we took it for a spin. And here are some clips. This is the baby. But yup, we just made it. So we about to turn it on. We gotta park it like somewhere. Look at those other boats. That's your mother's boat. What are you talking about?
I mean, what? That's his sister.
Shut up.
That's a pontoon boat.
A what?
Pontoon boat.
Oh.
I like those. I like party. Those are hangout boats.
Yeah, you can fit a lot of people?
That too. You can fish on that. You can put fishing rods all over that. And that's a straight, like for us.
You could drive that like got a motor?
Yeah, got a motor. That's a pontoon boat. I like those boats. Because that's like for us to like hang out.
But Dad, look at how it looks. This is
Why you recording it for?
Give it.
Dad, it doesn't look like a regular boat. Dad,
Calm down. I'm waiting for him to bust his ass. So that he can start crying. Oh, he's here with the battery. So yup, we about to charge up the battery so that we could turn on the motor. Cause right now, the battery that we have right now is dead. You feel me? So now we gotta charge it up out in the water.
Yeah, I know. But I got it at home. Yo tengo unos casos.
You leave your shit there.
Yeah.
Come and take your shit. Esto es como un cálida, loco.
Coño, loco.
Let's move on, Jacob. Jacob, please.
Tell my brothers ball 100 summers.